There are two types of formula-based imports for HubSpot. The first one is HubSpot Search, where you can search across the HubSpot CRM for a list of records and apply filters and sorts for those records. Here's an example. In my Google Sheet, I already have a list of different fields I'd like to pull from my deals object. At the same time, I have a drop-down here. This way I can toggle easily between my closed won and closed lost deals. Now I can create the formula. Going to look for my HubSpot search formula. Going to type in the name of my HubSpot object, which is deals. Here I'm going to highlight the name of the fields I'm looking for and include an extra empty one in case I want to add additional fields without having to adjust my formula later. And now I can apply my filter, which is going to be for deal stage. Type in deal stage equals ampersand, and I2 is the location of my toggle. And lastly, I'm just going to apply a quick limit to not gather all of the data at once. Here the data has populated. I forgot to add a field earlier, so I'm going to quickly add it in now just by typing in amount. At the same time, I can toggle between my closed won and closed lost. As you can see, there's a refresh happening anytime I adjust the formula, but you can also refresh in your coefficient sidebar. I've opened it up already here, but you can just click into your HubSpot formulas, and you can refresh the formulas in your selected cells, in the sheet, or in all sheets. Now let's move on to the second HubSpot formula. This is the HubSpot lookup. It's quite similar to using a traditional VLOOKUP to get your records, where in this case, I'm going to select my deal name as a reference based on this field, and I'm going to get a list of my deals where I only want the field information for these deals. Now let's create the formula. I'm going to select this cell, HubSpot lookup, and right now, again, I'm going to select my object, which is the deals object. Now my lookup field is actually using the deal name, so I'll select that. Now I'm going to select my lookup value, which is going to be the actual deal names. And last, I'm going to select my fields. I can see that the data has populated, but there's actually nothing in deal type. So I'm going to change it to something that's more valuable, like amount. And now the data has populated. That just about sums up our two formula-based imports for HubSpot. You can find full details about the syntax with more examples in our Help Center. Thank you.